Hey everyone, my name is Chris Bystead. I'm here at Guarantee RV in Junction City. Many people are looking for smaller trailers that are a little bit more lighter weight that they can pull. This is a very small trailer, but it's very big on storage and amenities for such a little cute thing. It's a Jayco Jay Flight 195 RB, which stands for rear bath. So one of the things that people often find difficult is to find a small little trailer that has everything you need and still has a place to like have some storage and put some things. This one's got a really great closet. It's the first thing I'm going to show you when you walk in. So for this little trailer, check out how much closet space you have there. Really fantastic. Lots of hanging space, even storage underneath that for shoes or whatever that you need. And right beside it is a wonderfully appointed bathroom. It's just a little guy, but you have everything that you really absolutely need: a toilet and a shower with a little bathtub. We got a nice vent and a skylight. And look at how much space they give you for food. It's fantastic. Your big full-size cereal boxes will fit in here. Everything very nice. Of course, you've got a 2-burner cook stove, a small sink, a microwave. This thing even comes with a little AC. Yeah, we don't always need air conditioning, but boy, when you need it, it sure is nice to have it, am I right? And check this out. A nice little dinette just for a couple people with a little window. And all of this leads right up to our beautiful master bedroom suite right here. Look at that, a big full-size queen bed. Plenty of space in your cupboards on both sides. Plug-ins, a place for your devices to charge, your CPAPs, whatever you need. And look how much storage we got under that bed. So for a small little cute trailer that's very affordably priced, this is really big on storage and amenities. It's very nice. We have lots of these different floor plans. I'd love to show this to you. It might be perfect. Give me a call. My name is Chris Bystead. My number is 541-636-7878.